You're watching Robotics and Automation News, your global update on intelligent machines and future industry. These are the headlines. Nike's motor-powered robot shoe, Nike, is stepping up its game with what it calls the world's first motor-powered running shoe. The new ACG robot shoe uses a hands-free entry and exit system. A motor and drivetrain engage automatically when a sensor detects your foot. The company says it's built for all-terrain utility and accessibility, giving users a snug fit without touching a lace or strap. This marks another step in Nike's long-term push to merge robotics and wearable design, making performance tech more inclusive. AutoStore expands warehouse portfolio. Warehouse Automation leader AutoStore has unveiled a sweeping new product lineup for fall 2025. Headlining the release, AutoCase, which automates the movement of full cases in and out of storage. The company also launched flex bins, allowing multiple bin sizes in a single grid, boosting capacity and SKU variety. For cold chain clients, there's a dedicated frozen-only grid designed for grocery and healthcare logistics. AutoStore says these upgrades can cut installation costs by up to 35%, helping firms handle labor shortages and rising demand. Nauto CEO, foresight over reaction. Stefan Heck, CEO of Nauto, says accident prevention isn't about faster reaction. It's about foresight. The company's AI platform analyzes driver behavior and road conditions in real time, predicting risk before an accident happens. Using onboard computer vision and edge processing, the system issues proactive alerts to help drivers avoid collisions. Nauto says it's now analyzed more than 2 billion miles of data from global fleets, and over 300 customers are using the system to make roads safer. Slamcore brings AI safety to forklifts. Slamcore has launched a 3D vision platform that turns forklifts into safety-aware machines. The new product, Site SLAM, uses advanced computer vision to build a live 3D map of warehouse surroundings. It helps vehicles detect obstacles, workers, and pathways in real time, cutting collision risks in busy facilities. The company says it can integrate seamlessly into existing hardware, improving safety without expensive overhauls. Dragonfly and Paladine team up on drone swarms. Drone maker Dragonfly is teaming up with Paladine AI to bring advanced autonomy to aerial fleets. Partnership will integrate Paladine's AI engine into Dragonfly's drones, enabling coordinated swarming and navigation without GPS. Systems are aimed at defense, logistics, and large-scale search and rescue. Dragonfly says it's a key step toward next-generation autonomous flight that can operate even in communication dead zones. RLWRLD joins AWS Generative AI Accelerator. RLWRLD has been chosen for the AWS Generative AI Accelerator. The company develops synthetic training data for robotics and automation, using generative AI to simulate millions of realistic environments. This helps firms train their systems faster and at lower cost without depending on real-world data collection. AWS will provide mentorship, cloud credits, and funding to help RLWRLD scale its technology worldwide. Virginia Tech's self-driving lab. At Virginia Tech, scientists are taking autonomy into the lab itself. Their self-driving lab combines robotics with AI agents, capable of designing and running experiments on their own. The system can generate hypotheses, plan tests, carry them out, and analyze the results, all autonomously. Researchers say it could compress years of materials research into just weeks, a breakthrough in agentic science. Cleaning robots set a new hygiene standard. Cleaning and sanitation robots are no longer luxuries. They're becoming the backbone of modern hygiene. Driven by post-pandemic safety standards and labor shortages, robotic scrubbers and UVC units now ensure consistent, measurable cleanliness. Hospitals, schools, and retailers are adopting these systems not just for efficiency, but for verifiable proof of hygiene. Analysts expect the sector to keep growing rapidly, with automation now seen as the standard for public health environments. Macy's opens automated fulfillment center. Retailer Macy's has opened a massive automated fulfillment center in Statesville, North Carolina, a key part of its multi-billion-dollar Polaris strategy. The facility automates everything from sorting to packing, dramatically speeding up online order delivery across the eastern U.S. Macy's says the site embodies its ongoing commitment to modernize logistics and e-commerce infrastructure. It's one of the largest investments in warehouse automation ever made by an American retailer. Airbus and partners form European Space Alliance. Airbus Defence and Space has joined forces with Leonardo and Thales Alenia Space to create a new European space giant. The alliance will pool expertise across Earth observation, telecoms, and satellite navigation. The companies say the goal is to boost European independence in space technology and streamline procurement across the bloc. Analysts view it as a bold step toward unifying Europe's fragmented aerospace capabilities. That's it for this edition of Robotics and Automation News. Visit roboticsandautomationnews.com for in-depth stories, interviews, and features. Like, share, and subscribe for your regular update on the world of robotics, automation, and AI. Until next time, take care.